Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to talk about angels. Most of the people never believe that angels exist this world because they can't see them through their eyes. The reason why we all can see only that the level of our consciousness. We all living in third dimension world, so beyond that we can't see, but few of people can see beyond that. That is not means that they never exist. They exist in this world, but we can't see. So this video tutorial help you to know about them more clearly. So let's begin. Who are angels? Angels are light beings. They are not humans like you. They live in celestial world, what you call heaven. They are living in very high frequency levels. They are souls. Their duty is help people to go to their own awakening levels, help to grow their souls, help people in this journey. They are light beings. There are various kind of angels lives in this world. Some are archangels, birth angels, guardian angels, like that. Today I am going to talk about most probably guardian angels. Who are guardian angels? Guardian angels are the souls that help people to awakening their souls, the growth of the souls, most probably in their journey. The main duty of that souls are help and giving guidance to the selected soul. Everybody believes that we all have a guardian angels. Some of them have one guardian angels. Few of them have so many angels, more than one guardian angels. Then I'm going to talk about how they work. When you're asking guidance, they will give the guidance 1 seconds. If you believe or not, they lives near you. They can hear you, but the main problem is you are not getting guidance, that you are not aware of that. You can't hear, you can't see, because they are giving guidance through signs. If they are giving signs, most of the people cannot understand. This is a sign from my guardian angels. If you want to get help from your guardian angels, connect with them through your heart. I'm going to tell you how. You can pray them, or either pray them or close your eyes and imagine your guardian angels and asking help from your mind, from your heart, so that they will give the guidance. Without asking help, they can't intervene, because they can intervene your life only if you give the permission. Without asking, without get the permission from you, they can't intervene your life. Next, I'm going to tell you, if you are asking help from your angels, why you are not receiving? The first thing is I want to tell you that ask help from with faith. I mentioned in my journey to light how to pray correctly. I mentioned that if you are always praying, if you are not getting answers, the one reason is the prayer's not going to the level that you thought. Because you have to give the power now. You're only speaking words only. You have to give the power. How you can give the power? By faith. Add the faith to your words so that they already reach the level what you believe that the heaven. Yes. The second reason you are not receiving signs that if you are in a low frequency levels, you are living in low frequency levels means anger, frustrated, sorrow, jealousy, like very low frequency level emotions. You can't hear or get the guidance. If they are sending guidance but they are not reaching to you because you are close your heart, close your minds for them. That is the second reason. And the third reason that if you are making a choice, now you are stuck. Now you want to get the guidance. But you're praying, you are not receiving. The reason why, if you are making some choices or actions, there are a karma to release that. Until you are releasing the bad karma, you are not getting the guidance. That is the third one. Because when we are making choices, making action, we have to release karma. All the action creates karma. There are a good karma and bad karma. Most of the time you are receiving bad karma. So until you are releasing that karma from your action, you will never get the guidance. Okay. The another reason that you are not getting guidance, that if you have to make a choice, this is an example. If you are hoping, wishing, I think you are hoping a job now. So you are asking help from your guardian angels, gods. You are praying, but you are not receiving. The reason why, this is not the correct time. The timing is not correct. When the correct time, you will receive. Sometimes you are not receiving the thing that you are really hoping. As example, you are wishing for a job, but you are receiving another thing. You are wishing for being a teacher, but you are receiving the job of nurse. The reason why, God give the better thing, the best thing for you. That is why the thing that you are hoping is not good for you. That is why you are not receiving. The another thing is you are not receiving angels guidance or other stuff. You have to learn a lesson, because some sort of a situation arrange you to learn lessons. Until you learn the lesson, you are not receiving guidance. You have to make choice on your own, so that angels never intervene on that, because I told you about their duty is help you to give the guidance to help. But if you have to learn some lesson on your own, they are not giving guidance. Okay? They are not giving guidance. Now I am going to tell you how you receiving signs. When you pray, when you ask help, how you receiving sign. The main sign I am going to tell you that you are thinking something accidentally, some thoughts coming to your mind, some thoughts. This is a sign from your angels that they are giving guidance. This is a one sign. The second sign is angels near you. Accidentally, you are hearing your name is calling by someone. You hear your name, but when you turn back, no one is there now. This is a sign from your angels. The third sign is if you watch the sky, if you're thinking something, if you watch the sky, you can see the different shapes, different colors of clouds. When you watch the night sky, when you walk in the floor, you can see that a cloud, most of the time, clouds close to you. This is a sign that angels around you. They are giving so much signs that through shapes, most of the time you can see the shape of the clouds are like heart shape. That is the sign that they are giving love to you. There are so many signs of regarding clouds. I'm not mention everything. This is a one sign. The another sign is that they are close to you by giving feathers, various colors of feathers. If you receiving a feathers, that means that your guardian angels tell that, hi, how are you? I'm here. That kind of a message they are giving to you now. Most of the time you can see, if you aware of that, feathers flying from the sky to the floor to your place. That means that your guardian angels near you, they love you. The another sign that you can see various kind of birds, animals appearing to your home, your environment. I am not going to mention what is the message on these animals, but I want to tell you that if woodpecker appear in your environment, this means that you are going to receive new beginnings, new opportunities, some new opportunities knocking your door. If you see kingfisher in your environment, this means that you are going to receive abundance. I don't know what kind of abundance, most of the time material things, sometimes spiritual things, that kind of abundance coming your way. These are the signs that universe, your angels tell you, give you the message. The next sign that if you're praying for money, you will receive coin accidentally from your environment. This means that you will receive money. This is a sign from your angels. Another sign is that they are sending message that through dreams, you can see so many dreams. They are sending message through dreams. Another sign is that they are sending message through numbers, repeating numbers. I mention the main numbers they are sending messages in this video. Most of the time, not only that numbers, there are so many numbers. As example, you are watching TV, repeating numbers called 956 956. So you have to understand that they are sending a message. 956 is the number. You and go and search what is the meaning of that through the Google spiritual number 956 meanings, so that you can understand what is the message. This is the repeating number. They are giving you the message what you want to hear right now. The another sign that they are sending message is if you clairvoyant person, you can see light sparkles near you, light sparkles appearing with various different colors. I told you about they are not the human beings, they are souls. They can appear like their aura color, auric color lights. That is their soul color. You can see light sparkles, small light balls, or like stars with various colored blue, red. You can see what is the meaning of that. And if you have the clairvoyant ability, you can see light sparkles from the corner of your eyes. Light sparkles and the flashes of light flashes. And if you have the ability, you can feel feel very warmth in your body, some places warmth or cold, or when they are touching you can feel like how they are touched. You can sense like a feather, touching a feather. If someone touching feather, using feather to touch you, that kind of a feel you can see, a very smooth touch. Someone touching you like the feather, like that kind of a feel you can get. Very warm, very smooth. That is a sign that your angel is near you. Okay, these are the messages I want to deliver in this video. If you have any questions, you can text me from my Journey to Light Facebook page or mention in the comment section in this video. I will answer your questions. I already put a small prayer in this video to connect with your guardian angel. So I will connect with you very soon with my next video tutorial. Until that, thanks and thank you very much for listening to me.